Caves, we in caves.
Guys, we need to stay in here. We need to stay in here.
Yeah, stay.
I want to see
Follow the fake J-Man.
Yeah, where's Find Me at?
Where are you guys? No, find me. We are in the Forbidden Girl Town code called Unknown. I heard breathing.
Yo, what was that?
Black. I know. Black. I know
What
why
is
you
going
heard the
on with
breathing.
this person?
I know this ghost. He's unknown, but he's not. The name's not unknown, but he's unknown. He can go into any server, mostly ghost codes. And when you hear breathing, that means he's about to. Everyone leave. About to kick me off the game.
Guys, I bought a sacrifice.
Hey, one thing. It's Find
Good
Me
God, bro, what was
code.
that?
Is Find Me really a ghost? No?
Yeah.
Then why was he being all creepy? He was
No,
literally
find me
saying,
as a ghost. Find me as a ghost.
and I did not see him appear in
Guys,
that.
I see him looking over there. I heard screaming.
What is that? What was that?
Guys, this is
Get on
Everybody get out.
Get out right now, bro. You're gonna get banned. We're gonna get banned. Get out of caves, bro. We're gonna get banned. Get out of caves. Oh shoot. No. We're gonna get banned.
What is that noise?
Yeah, what's that noise? I've never heard that before.
Everyone get out the cave. Everybody go to the team on force. Everybody go to the
Hey,
Yo, what was that, bro?
What's a ghost?
I want to do a speed. Everybody get on the picnic
Dude, I'm like low-key scared right now.
table. Get on the picnic.
What is that?
Backshot the dog. Probably gonna need to see a therapist after this. Wait, guys,
I
a
needed
monkey's
to
still
already.
inside caves. Guys, a monkey's still
Go
inside
get him. I'm gonna go get him.
We need to save him. Everybody listen up. We gotta go save that monkey.
Go get him.
Find his ghost.
Alright. What was that?
Why is bro screaming? Nothing happened.
But then why did someone scream?
Come on, guys. We gotta help him.
Shane is always playing. He's always playing tricks on us. He does not care.
Bro, this guy's faking. Bro, I heard you. You did it.
I did what?
Wait, I'm gonna put
You did like this. Who is this creature?
I didn't hear what you're talking about.
No, wait, no. I remember.
Wait, is it breathing or nah?
Wait, no, it's you. Okay.
What was that? I just saw a shade of green just fly. Everyone just stop talking and stare at the board.
Guys, he's in here.
Everyone
Guys, there's
stop
an
talking
actual
and
ghost
stare at the board.
Guys, there's a ghost talking and stare at the board.
What do you mean there's a ghost in here?
And then it just
Why is
whispered
someone named
run.
Server?
It just whispered run.
Hey, who's name server?
Someone is named
Bro, that's like mad creepy though.
The ghost whispered run. And the ghost whispered run. Someone said
It
that.
sounded like it was way too close.
I did.
Shut up.
Mason.
Yeah, that was way too close, bro. Who's playing the sound effects?
You are.
Who's doing it?
Really? Nah, it's probably you, bro. You were way quick to blame, bro. That's you.
No, I keep hearing you do it. Everybody be quiet. Everybody, don't talk. Everybody, don't talk. We'll see whose mic is up.
I just dropped my controller,
Can
bro.
you stop?
It was him.
Everyone stop talking
Yeah, stop talking. Someone's playing sound effects.
and watch the board.
Guys, I saw someone there.
Saw someone?
No.
Wait, you saw someone? Wait, hold on. What are you talking about?
I just heard someone take it out.
What Who's that? I swear I just saw some
Voices is
right
here.
Who's here? Voices? What?
No,
Yeah.
don't leave, bro. Don't leave.
Leave the code. Leave the code.
How long?
We gonna get banned. We gonna get banned.
He keeps. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody
Hey,
knows.
do y'all know
And also,
that person is banned?
he keeps whispering, get out.
Get off.
He keeps whispering, get
My
out.
headset's running low. Guys,
Hey,
fellas,
what's
you're
big?
on your own. My headset's running low.
Guys,
What? How? I'm trying to ask something over
guys,
here.
camping, guys.
Yeah. What y'all saying? What y'all saying?
He keeps. Nobody knows. Nobody
How
knows.
long does he ban you for?
Nobody knows. It's
He bans you for 2 weeks. He bans you for 2 weeks.
I just seen a monkey in there.
2 weeks?
Preacher.
Yeah, it's pretty damn long. Like, I don't know why they made it that long.
My game is lagging for music.
Wait, someone else just joined.
Yo, go up to tree. I'll see who joins. See who joins.
What's happening? Guys,
Ow.
everyone leave mine. Everyone leave. Everyone leave.
Yeah, get out. Get out. Get out.
Like rattling.
My game. My game just died for like a second. My game just died for like a second. I'm being targeted. Go.
Dude, I heard that sound effect. Are you getting targeted right now? Are you getting targeted?
Guys, bro, I'm getting targeted. Bro, black preacher is getting targeted. I'm getting targeted. Hello, motherfucker.
Hey, buddy. Okay, he's false alarm, guys. He's not a ghost.
I'm preacher. I'm getting targeted too. Preacher, go. Preacher.
Yo, bro, what the hell was that?
We need to get out of here. Preacher, I'm okay. I'm okay. Guys, my game's lagging so bad. I need to get out of cage. I need to get out of cage.
Guys, get out. You're gonna get banned. That noise means you're gonna get banned.
Hey, but I saw the
Do y'all see him? Y'all see him? Y'all see him?
person who was doing this.
Yeah, we saw him. He's a red monkey. He's a red monkey. He's a red
He was like the
monkey.
one right in front of me. I think it was.
Oh my God, guys, it's me.
Dude, I hear that. What the hell?
I need to get out. I need to
Bro,
get
you scared me. I thought you were that bloody end.
out.
Nah, I should probably change my color code because people are gonna think it's me.
No, stop. No. Yeah, that's him. Guys, the ghost is in. His numbers are over.
What's going on? That unknown person.
That is not there. It isn't him.
Right there.
Do not stare at him.
Hey, are you real?
Don't stare at him.
Don't stare at
You're
him.
real? If you stare at him, he'll come after you.
Is he your boss? Does he have
Wait, are y'all here?
McDonald's is the place to rock.
arms? He doesn't even have long arms.
Oh, I need to change my thing to like,
It is the place
let's
to
see.
listen to the music. People flock here to get down to the rock music.
All right. Pasty color.
Rock and roll McDonald's. Rock and roll McDonald's. Rock and roll McDonald's. Rock and roll
Guys. I was
Yo,
kicked. I was kicked.
Yo, why got kicked? Why got kicked? Why got kicked? Why got kicked?
They serve Big Macs. They serve quarter pounders. They will put pounds on you.
He didn't kick himself. He just.
Rock and roll McDonald's. Rock and roll McDonald's.